Welcome to my channel. My name is Lija and I'm a full-time backpacker exploring this world. Today I'm in Nuwara Eliya, a charming mountain village renowned for its lush tea plantations, cascading waterfalls and picturesque parks. My journey began with a scenic train ride from Kandy to Nuwara Eliya, a route celebrated for its breathtaking views of verdant landscapes and rolling hills. The rhythmic motion of the train and the ever-changing scenery made it an unforgettable experience.
Nervous?
No, I love adrenaline. Hello beautiful people, I made it to Nuwara Eliya. It's a mountain town. I have a gorgeous view from my bed, so I am really excited to be here. I'll go get something to eat and then I'll figure out what to do. See you guys later. Upon arriving, I visited Victoria Park, a serene oasis in the heart of the town. Hello from Victoria Garden. It's a beautiful park. Apparently it was named Victoria to commemorate the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Victoria. Since Sri Lanka was a British colony. The city also has like a really nice European vibe. The part I like most is just seeing the mountains everywhere. Honestly, a really beautiful park. I feel like the videos won't do it justice because it's clouded today. But to be honest, I feel really blessed and happy about the weather because it was supposed to rain. So having like this is better than rain, I guess. Established in 1897 to commemorate Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee, the park spans over 27 acres and was originally used as a research field for the botanical gardens. It's home to an array of flora and fauna, including rare birds species, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. I made it to the tea plantation all by myself. So if you're ever gonna come to Nuwara Eliya, leave me a comment below. I'll give you the contact of my driver for today. It's definitely better to take a local guide because a tour guide is more expensive than doing it this way, and pretty cool. This is a really nice place. Reminds me of the rice fields in Vietnam. Next, I ventured to a local tea plantation and factory. Walking through the neatly lined tea bushes, I was enveloped by a sense of tranquility. Opting to explore independently rather than with a tour group allowed me to fully immerse myself in the peaceful surrounding and appreciate the meticulous process of tea production. I bought a plane. the old man was so sweet. I really wanted to give him something. He has a really nice spot where he can paint. This is definitely beautiful, you guys. Visit Sri Lanka. So I'm really struggling with stairs. It's very humid and I left my water in the car. So a couple just passed me and they offered me water. But I feel like Sri Lankans are so friendly and nice and like genuine nice. I like, you know, trying to get something from you nice. And I really love this, like the best part.
My adventure continued to a visit to Ramboda Falls, the 11th highest waterfall in Sri Lanka, standing at 109 meters. The waterfall is a stunning sight, with waters cascading over multiple tiers into a crystal clear pool below. To reach the best viewpoint, I embarked on a hike through a surrounding forest, which followed unique perspectives of the falls and the opportunity to connect with nature.
Sometimes you have to take risks.
Join me in the next episode as my journey continues to Ella, where I'll visit the famous 9-arch bridge, hike to Adam's Peak, and take part in a local cooking class. See you next time!